This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fish jerky in your oven. First, choose a lean fish such as salmon or tuna for the best results. Next, carefully slice your fish into uniform strips, aiming for about 1/4 inch in thickness. Then, create a tasty marinade with salt, sugar, and your favorite spices. Finally, let the fish marinate for a minimum of 6 hours, or even better, overnight in the fridge. After marinating, make sure each fish strip is fully coated for maximum flavor. It is crucial to pat the marinated fish completely dry before it goes into the oven. Next, preheat your oven to its lowest possible setting, usually around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. For optimal drying, line your baking sheets with parchment paper, or, even better, use wire racks to allow for excellent air circulation around the fish. Now, carefully arrange your fish strips on the racks, making sure no pieces are touching. This ensures even drying. To allow moisture to escape, prop your oven door open slightly with a wooden spoon. You will dry the fish for approximately 3 to 6 hours, but remember to check its progress often. Don't forget to flip the jerky halfway through the drying time for perfectly even dehydration. Your jerky is ready when it feels firm and pliable, tearing easily without being brittle. It should not be crumbly or feel wet to the touch. Once done, allow the finished fish jerky to cool completely at room temperature. For best freshness, store your delicious homemade fish jerky in an airtight container. It will stay good for up to 2 weeks, ready for a tasty snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.